Why hello, welcome back to the Anaconda Mountain Range. My name is Roxie and I just hope you guys all had such a great week. I've got something exciting to share with you guys today. I learned something so cool and probably would have helped me when I was a kid. I learned that when you disagree with someone, you shouldn't argue. I know, I probably should have known this already. Anyways, I learned that when you disagree with someone, you should talk over the problem calmly and try to see the other person's point of view. And I also learned that we should be peacemakers. After all, the beatitude that we're learning about this week is God blesses those who work for peace, for they will be called the children of God. To help me remember to learn more about the Beatitudes, I've been saying a phrase that is a favorite here at Altitude. It goes like this: we should let the Beatitudes be our attitude. The kingdom of God belongs to you and you and you. Before we continue with our experiment, why don't we sing a song?
It's an open heaven you're releasing, and we will never be denied. 'Cause we're stirring up deep, deep wells. We're stirring up deep, deep waters. We're gonna dance in the river. Dance in the river. 'Cause we're stirring up deep, deep wells. We're stirring up deep, deep waters. We're gonna jump in the river. Jump in the river. Deep cries out to, deep cries out to, deep cries out to, deep cries out to. We cry out to, we cry out to you, Jesus. I've got a river of living water, a fountain that never will run dry. It's an open heaven you're releasing, and we will never be denied. 'Cause we're stirring up deep, deep wells. We're stirring up deep, deep waters. We're gonna dance in the river. Dance in the river. 'Cause we're stirring up deep, deep wells. We're stirring up deep, deep waters. We're gonna jump in the river. Jump in the everybody sing it out. Deep cries out to, deep cries out to, deep cries out to, deep cries out to. We cry out to, we cry out to you, Jesus. Deep cries out to, deep cries out to, deep cries out to, deep cries out to. We cry out to, we cry out to you, Jesus. We're falling into deeper waters, calling after you. We're walking into deeper waters, going after you. Everybody clap your hands. If he goes to the left, then we'll go to the left. And if he goes to the right, then we'll go to the right. We're gonna jump, 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 jump in the river. Jump, 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 jump. Everybody, if he goes to the left, then we'll go to the left. And if he goes to the right, then we'll go to the right. We're gonna dance, 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 dance in the river. Dance, 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 dance. Everybody, if he goes to the left, then we'll go to the left. And if he goes to the right, then we'll go
today. I have some friends who are going to help me out. Why don't you come on in, guys? Perfect. Can you tell me your names?
I'm Brooke. And I'm Tori.
Well, hi, Brooke and Tori. We have such a fun experiment that we're going to do today. We're going to create another big reaction. As you all know by now, it's one of my favorite things to do. So today what we're going to be using is we're going to be using some vinegar and some baking soda to make a really, really big reaction. It's going to be awesome. But there's a plot twist. Instead of just letting it react today, we're actually going to do something different. We're going to calm down the reaction. You know, that reminds me. That's kind of what we've been learning about this week here at Altitude, about being peacemakers. That's our job too, to calm down arguments and put out fights. Let's get started with our experiment. So the first thing we're going to do, girls, is we're going to pour in our vinegar in the cup. So yes, Tori, you can help me with that. Great work. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're not going to dump it in yet, but exactly, Brooke, we're going to take a bit of our baking soda and we're going to get ready to pour it in. But after we pour it in, we want to make sure that we have our cooking oil ready as well so that we can put out our reaction. Are you guys ready? Okay, so we can put in the baking soda. Perfect. Okay, now you can put in your cooking oil and calm down the reaction. Good work, girls. Wow. That was pretty cool. Look at that. You know, the cooking oil is kind of like us when we're peacemakers. When we're peacemakers, we can help our friends and put out arguments and bring a sense of calm. Have you guys ever been peacemakers before?
Yes, I have. When people at school were bullying me, I tried to be kind to them, and I wasn't being rude back.
That's awesome. What about you, Tori?
I have done it when I usually play games with my friends, and they end up arguing. I stand in and try to stop it.
That is awesome, girls. You guys look like you're already some awesome peacemakers, which is better than I did earlier this week. Whew. Anyways, I feel like you guys have helped me so much, just understanding how to be a better peacemaker. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you later. Wow. I'm so glad my friends Brooke and Tori came to help me out this week. I really learned a lot about being a peacemaker. Next time you're in an argument or you see your friends arguing, let's try to be peacemakers. Well, that's all I have for now. See you later.